Success Habits of Superachievers is a book edited by Les Brown, Darren Hardy, and Brian Tracy that examines the habits and practices of highly successful individuals and how they can be applied to achieve success in various areas of life. The book includes contributions from several successful individuals across various fields, including business, sports, and entertainment. The authors share their personal experiences and insights on how they have achieved success in their respective fields. One of the main themes of the book is the importance of setting and achieving goals. The authors argue that successful individuals have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and take consistent and persistent action to achieve it. The book also stresses the importance of self-discipline and self-control, as successful individuals are able to resist distractions and temptations and focus on what is important to achieving their goals. Another important habit discussed in the book is that of continuous learning and personal development. Successful individuals are always seeking to improve themselves and continuously learn from others and from their own experiences. The book also emphasizes the importance of personal responsibility and taking initiative, as successful individuals take ownership of their own lives and don't wait for things to happen, but instead, make things happen. They also have a positive attitude and the belief in the ability to overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. Additionally, successful individuals surround themselves with positive and supportive people who help to uplift and motivate them. They also often have mentors or role models who guide and inspire them. The book has a holistic approach. It highlights the importance of balance between personal, professional, and spiritual life in order to attain success. Furthermore, the book includes tips and exercises to help readers put the strategies into practice in their own lives. In summary, the book is a compendium of insights and strategies from successful people across various fields, and the habits they have used to achieve success. It emphasizes goal setting, self-discipline, personal development, taking initiative, positivity, and surrounding oneself with supportive people as key practices that can help anyone achieve success in their own life.